Hi there, and today we are going to learn about how to fix overlapping items in Wix. So here I am in my Wix website dashboard, and in order to go to my website editor, I can just click on Edit Site. So if you have clicked Edit Site, it will appear in a new tab, and I have mine already open right here. So here is the website editor, and to fix overlapping items, first I will create a section right here and show how the items overlap. So for example, I'll create a blank section right here, and then I will just add some elements. I will add a text, a header right here, and then a paragraph. And then I will also add a button. And then I will also add like an image. So for example, I'll just add a free image right here. Is this one. And then there is my blank section with some added elements. If I go to the mobile section, or I mean the mobile view of the website, so it will look like this. But sometimes if there is a bug in your website editor, sometimes they will overlap. So for example, if I move the image right here, it will overlap the other elements in my section. And as you can see, we cannot see the text anymore. And in order to fix that, we can right click and then overlapping items right here. We can click on see all layers. And then if you want the text to appear in front of the image, you can just rearrange your elements right here. So for example, the text for the header, if I put it at the bottom of this section, as you can see, it is now visible in my website. And then you can do the same thing for the other elements. As you can see, now that the paragraph is also shown here. And then for the button right here, now it is also displayed right here in the section. And then I can go ahead and rearrange the paragraph, the header, and then the button at the bottom. And then I can just go ahead and edit the size of this section so that it is more compact for the mobile version of the website. And then if I go back to the desktop version of the website, it still looks the same as we have edited it earlier. But if you were to apply what we did in the mobile version, you can go ahead and put this at the middle. And then, as you can see, the other headings, paragraph, and then the buttons are hidden below this image. So you can just go ahead and do the same thing. Find overlapping items, click on see all layers, or you can also click on the tools right here and then turn on layers, and then it will open the same window. Then from here, just rearrange the elements for the header, the paragraph, and then the button, and then that's it. And then you can go ahead and rearrange your elements right here. And then that is how we fix overlapping items in Wix. I hope you learned how to do it, and thank you for watching.